What are you saying?
I can't believe Gas Kings is in jail. No, I don't even know.
I don't want to get cold.
Yeah.
I think he needs to finish. Need for Speed.
Is this guy running or is it?
Nah, just a fan zone. Got a Pontiac Fiero.
So then I'll have to stop.
That's too much metal.
That is the cleanest thing I've ever seen.
That's too much.
For sale?
Edelbrock. 15.5.
You didn't get, it's like you didn't get the parts you didn't reach.
Nah.
Import section is starting to fill up a bit, but there's some American there. It's weird the fact that like any car that's not from my country.
Stop. Do that again, I'm gonna chuck it.
No, you won't.
Shiny.
That angry golf sure is angry today.
Looks like the whole front end's just Linex.
First ever double clutcher. God.
Look at the Linex covering on this thing.
Oh.
It looks like Linex.
Get scratched. I hope not.
Gotta send this live to everyone.
You can send it to people so that they know
Yeah,
that you want them to join.
yeah.
I'm so glad this thing didn't pop. Typically dropping these people parts.
Hey, what's up, Rome? Got a nice NSX here.
I like I don't know. Guys, all I'm saying is I'm fighting Germany. I want to fight Germany and you guys you can take my spot.
It's sweet. The white's nice. But this. Yeah, I saw it.
All the framing around it, it's blacked out with all the.
I don't like it. It's called
Damn it, I scrambled it up.
trim, yeah.
Not much. You? cool. Got a Hyundai Genesis here. Got a GTO. Got some camber on that Miata. Can hear that diesel. Look at this. Boy got rolled fenders. Let's go. Oh my god, you gotta clean this. You gotta clean this. Look at all this. What is this? What is this? What is this?
Oh my god.
What is that?
That is
That is mud and rust.
or shit.
Oh, you're so cool because you have a detachable steering wheel. Oh my
yeah,
god.
It's so expensive because you got a Supreme sticker on it.
Let's see. Here we go. Here's some Bimmer. I like these wheels.
Can we stop somewhere and get a repair right here?
ADV1s. Nice.
No, I'm not driving my car. That's dumb. But I'm going for the whole weekend for free.
Is each? I thought they moved each row. Is each row still the same?
Okay, so we-
No, they moved it.
Yeah, I thought so.
There was too much. There was too much.
Hold on, just like stop right
There
here.
was too much cops and
That's
shit last year. So.
I also heard a bunch of people.
So like stay here for a second so I can repair my key.
Oh, that rasp.
Oh, yeah.
Whoa! That Chevelle almost got smashed.
I don't care about that. Where is
Yo, give it a little more. Squad. These wheels.
Sylvia.
Here we go. Sylvia.
That's you, boy.
Hey, what's up, Luke? He's gonna be coming this way, so I'm just gonna stay over here.
We're gonna stay here so my mom can see can get my best. Okay? Is that an RS?
I think it's an ST
Yeah, I
RS.
saw the red badge.
Got 1552s. All right. Woo. RS and an ST.
ST versus RS. It's got them Ken Block 1552s.
Yep. Oh. Even the turnoff sounds good.
Bro, look at how well they hit the gas cap.
I'm not into this kind of stuff. I'm into more of the classics.
Yeah, we're more import people.
Yeah, these are the real muscle cars.
Hey, they all got their own muscle, right? You think playing these are muscle cars and shit,
I have no idea what this is.
my god. You're crazy.
His license plate is LOL front wheel drive.
Yeah, if I close my eyes,
Got the number.
Waiting for a certain Sylvia.
There's the Charger, so there he is.
Every damn time.
Yamaha makes like everything.
Yo, look at that. Swear to God.
Name one object Yamaha does not make.
Car.
Fuck.
Just car.
But like they make drum heads, instruments, bikes,
Piano-ish.
doing a lot of things. Wake up, take a shit, get out of bed.
Drive car.
All that carbon fiber.
I've seen this car so many times.
I would just want it to
I'm gonna pull Mackenzie's last half That's not the last year, by the way. That's fully confirmed. That's a crazy, it's a crazy idea.
It's a 350 coming.
Months you drove that thing?
I think.
Yeah.
Money.
I agree with you.
It was too
I
many
agree.
until you crashed it.
Yeah.
That's not too many, that's just it's a max.
This club kid is freaking nice.
That's the 350 up there.
Why is everyone being stupid? You want to see?
Yeah, okay, so
Cold out.
this is totally the wrong rental right?
It's quick. Shit.
Good truck doesn't even look that bad.
Because it's a solid frame.
This is the one car directed Forza too.
I will be drifting this in 2 weeks in Horizon 4.
No, oh yeah.
I love
You pre-ordered it?
Ultimate Edition. Yep.
Same. Yeah, the demo. You tried the demo yet, right?
Is that a Lancer?
I didn't really care for it.
2 weeks though. It's so close.
I don't even think that was an Evo.
I said Lancer.
You hear what happened to his 240?
Sometimes it's
What?
not out.
You hear what happened to his 240?
Yeah, he got splitters.
Sound bent when he went into the grass at Drift Lock.
I don't know what you're talking about.
The gray, dark gray 240.
Yeah.
Oh,
Was it the last
Yeah.
event last Saturday?
Well, there's like 3 dark rooms.
No, it's Matt. They're talking about Matt.
Wait, he
Matt.
crashed or something?
It's another
He went into the
R35.
grass.
Oh.
Yeah, I wouldn't doubt it. It's a drift car. It's another R35.
No, it's the same one from
Same one?
over there.
Oh.
Oh, wait, no, it's another one.
Yeah, it's another
Comes to
R35.
the green room and ruins it.
Does he have a mask on?
Oh my god.
Yeah.
That Moose is wearing boots.
No, that's not the same guy.
What? Boots. Is that the shirt from Maine?
Like, bro, I'm trying to breathe here.
What? Where'd you get this from?
It's got an Iron Man helmet.
There you are.
Yeah, it's from there.
Why do you want me over here?
Just didn't know where you were.
I was over there at number 14.
Someone says that's why just speak is.
Put your hand on your heart and you're good.
No English.
You can still walk, it's not.
Take a knee off. Take a knee.
Oh yeah, I got all these flyers.
For
We're
what?
talking about different car shows.
In the area?
Rhode Island, Mass. Parking lot party, Teddy Bear Cruise at Coast Hotel. Informative technical seminar, Saturday.
When's the
Oh,
next?
that Pontiac.
How frequently is Customs for Kids though? Yeah, how frequently does Customs for Kids go
We're
on?
on here about your age. Is that a lecture about hands on?
I really like this
Is Customs
NSX.
for Kids like yearly or something?
It's very nice. Do you see that? What's that called? Don't tell me.
Z4.
Composite? No. All right, what's it called? Tell me.
The grilled and then
No,
the
this.
splitter.
That.
Yeah, don't touch
is
that.
the
This is a
material?
$200,000 car.
I know. What is that?
Carbon
That's a
fiber?
splitter.
Fiber. Thank you.
Do you want to know the material?
Oh, the material.
I thought I could remember, but I could not.
200, almost two. No, 130 now.
Are they depreciating?
No, they're just going down in price.
That's depreciating.
Yeah.
Car truck.
Just has her in his back pocket because
Thinking.
Okay, guys.
Ah.
Omni Rider
look at this, it's a white Mustang. The white. Oh, that's Camaro. Nah.
Yeah. Not really good. Oh, is that an M3? Oh, here come the BMWs. M Squad. I like that first one. I like that first one. Oh, one got a carbon fiber hood. It is an M3.
Oh my god, it's a baby shy. Shy. The little shy.
Oh, wow.
Because they're wired together.
wait to go over there. I hear a brrrch. Maybe a brrrch.
Look at that baby shine.
He's the dealer.
He's taking up 4 spots.
Nice caddy. Really like this split window though. Don't see these. This your car? How much of it is original?
Not much.
I had a feeling.
All been done over at some point. Through the years.
It's beautiful. You never see split windows, so
Yeah, they're very rare.
very rare. I was just telling him that they didn't make too many of them.
You know, they only made them 1 year, 1963.
Exactly.
And then they discontinued the split window because when you're driving it, you look in the rearview mirror, you can't see anything.
What use does it have? It's
But that's what made it collectible now. Because
Yeah.
only 1 year they made them.
how much did you get it for?
I bought that for $4,500.
40?
They did it all over.
That's
It was a
insane.
barn find. It's been sitting for over 40 years. I bought it 2 years ago.
This much in 2 years. Wow. I love the black.
It's blue.
Oh, it's blue.
Daytona blue.
Oh yeah. Daytona blue. That's cool. Hey, what's up, Skyline? Have a nice day. 63 split window.
Oh, yeah.
You know, there's another R35 over there, right?
What's that?
There's another R35 over
Oh, I
there.
heard the guy's a total douchebag now.
Oh.
It's his. It's his.
Y'all should have parked together.
I got here late.
Yeah,
Color John. Oh, same thing?
identical.
Yeah, I mean, so these wheels were already painted. I don't know why. I actually like the. So, like, a lot of people think it's a 2015 because the wheels are the graphite or
Right.
gunmetal.
The reason I saw the headlights. And
Yeah.
That's 15.
Well, everybody
plus.
wants 15 plus
Yeah.
headlights. And honestly, they're 10,000 times better than the old headlights are terrible.
Yeah.
They belonged on like a, I don't even know.
I do prefer the old taillights instead.
Do you really? Oh, taillights.
Yeah, the taillights.
Yeah, see, I don't know why people like the new taillights so much. I'm like, but the headlights are so different. Like the newer headlights are so much nicer, but the taillights, I like them both.
Nice Honda STI.
Beautiful.
Thanks, man.
Yeah,
I
man,
honestly
he's
think
got
I'd come here
the
just
titanium tips.
Oh yeah, there's that too. Hey. Dude. Oh, we're down back.
When people don't even have to talk about their car, you'll talk about it for them.
Like in the back corner where we were parked about the Corvette there last time when I.
Look at how dirty the inside of the
No, the whole show is kind of like closer to the stadium. Yeah, when you come in, you make a right.
Would you
just
ever,
keep
by
going all the way
chance,
to
wide body yours? Ever? No?
I don't really care to do
No,
that.
when you come in, yeah.
Would you-
how you make that right?
You wouldn't do anything to it?
And then you could just keep
I
going
would
straight.
make it faster.
That's it?
I wouldn't wide body. I'd probably do wheels, but I wouldn't wide body.
Any cosmetics whatsoever? Front splitter?
I wouldn't make a very good cop, would I? Dave?
Not really. Not really my thing.
Yeah, I mean, you know how the Bass Pro Shop is way down the end, right? Yeah, we're down there. Like along that roadway, the main drag. That's it.
Such beautiful cars.
Part of me, honestly, part of me comes here just to detail it, because I fucking never make time to clean.
Yeah, right.
You know how it is, where it's like you've driven it a few times, the car's dirty.
Yeah.
There you go. It's Christmas time in 1956.
Plus, in case I'm feeling like bi-curious or something, I'm fucking set, you know? Get the dude back
Thank you so
there.
much for coming to join us once again this evening. ladies
I'm just
and gentlemen.
kidding,
Of course,
by the way.
our regular
I don't
Thursday
make
cruise.
them
It's every other week all season long. but that's
How much do you guys get yours for?
I got mine for 60.
I pay 75.
Yeah. I mean, it's all relative. It's like, how far do you want to go with it, you know? What do you want to spend?
Right.
How much do you want to tie up in it?
Another R35.
What's that?
Right behind you.
Oh, that's my buddy.
That's the facelift version.
Yeah, it's 17.
I can tell us can the 11th, and then we'll be here a final time on the 25th of October.
Can you give me a couple revs? If you don't
I
mind.
heard this car was so fast. I heard this thing was 9.
Really? No let. Nothing. Nothing.
What?
Revs.
GTR. Doesn't sound good.
Yeah, it does.
Oh, yeah.
Nah, it's a street bike. Why do you think everything sounds like a Supra?
You get a wash.
That legitimately sounds like a Supra. I don't hear a street bike.
That's kind of quiet, huh?
Nah, it's something else.
Bug-eye.
Come on over and tell me about it too.
I made a bug-eye wagon.
Now tomorrow is going
Yeah.
to be
That one
an
was
anniversary.
lower,
Put you
less
on mine there, because
2016.
tomorrow, let's see, that'll be September the 14th. The year was 1968. And on the television screen on CBS Saturday mornings, a brand new show arrived. It was a cartoon, and they called it The Archies. You still remember?
I recall just walking down the street, trying to escape the city heat.
Gran Turismo.
I saw her from the corner of my eye. Yeah, she looked so good, I thought I'd die. My heart went bang, 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 bang. My heart went bang, 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 bang.
forget to have me save this live.
You only save it for 24 hours.
I'm going to put it on my YouTube. Oh, it was the NSX.
Yeah, the Maserati. Maserati Gran Turismo.
There's going to be no major change.
Oh, here goes 350. I think it's a racer.
Ah, man, that felt good. No, look. Oh, man, that felt good. I farted, as in Mach 1.
Come on.
Whew. M3. Look at that roof. Oh my god. It's an M4. Carbon fiber hood. Yeah. Yes. Here go the MGs. I like that. You know these come off, right?
Those colored things.
Yeah, they come off.
Oh yeah,
You
so
put
they're
them
just
on.
like plastic things.
Yeah. Oh my god. That's cool. It's winding down. If he's leaving, he said he would rev. I still got that on video. I was trying to get the NSX leaving, but that wasn't gonna happen. Airbrush.
give it up.
I went as far as we stopped the car right in front of this little bar, kind of a redneck looking joint called the Dewdrop Inn. Well, I stuffed my hair up under my hat and told the bartender that I had a flat, but he'd be kind enough to give me change for one. Well, there was one thing I was sure proud to see. There wasn't a soul in the place.
I love the way they look. I love the rear end on these cars. Probably my favorite.
Infinity.
I like cars that.
Oh my god, there's a wide body M3 coming in, I think. Oh my god. Oh my fucking god.
Stop swearing. This is going on YouTube.
It's wide.
Just when I thought I'd get out there with
It's going on YouTube.
five big dudes come strolling in with this one old drunk chick and some fellow with green teeth. I was almost to the door when the biggest one said, "You tip your hat to this lady, son." And when I did, I let the hair fall out from under me. Now, the last thing I wanted was to get in a fight in Jackson, Mississippi on a Saturday night, especially when there was three of them and only one of me. They all started laughing, and I felt kind of sick, and I knew I better think of something pretty quick, so I just reached out and kicked old green teeth right in the knee. Now, he let out a yell that would curl your hair, but before he could move, I grabbed me a chair and said, "Watch him, folks, because he's a thoroughly dangerous man." Well, you may not know it, but this man's a spy. He's an undercover agent for the FBI, and he's been sent down here to infiltrate the U Klux Klan. He was still bent over, holding on to his knee, but everybody else was looking and listening to me, and I'm leaning on the figure of his head.
Yep, Myers-Manx.
Would you believe this man? He's gone as far as where
That's Myers-Manx.
off the bump with his car.
That's a beefed up Myers-Manx.
I might take the roof off this summer. I tell you guys, he may look dumb, but that's just the guy.
Yo, that thing looks sick. Second wide body car I've ever seen. Whew. Oh, you saw that 350.
That 350 is the second wide body I've ever seen. First wide body. What?
You've seen 3. Scion too slow?
Oh yeah.
Whew. That. Thank you. Thank you for taking the risk that no one ever does. Whew.
Hey, we're gonna get a whole 3.
Oh, all right.
Hey, yes or no?